Hey, this is Sridhar. Um, I just want to share my screen and walk you through how I use Vimium. This is a browser extension, and I'm currently using this in Chrome. So what this does is basically enable you to surf the internet just by using custom keys. Um, Mostly, I just use single keyboard shortcuts. So you can see that in this case, I have mapped C to remove tab. So that means when I press C, the current tab is going to get closed. And if I press Z, I go back, X to go forward, and A is to switch to the previous tab, S to switch to the next tab, and so on. So let me show this to you in action. And one more thing, the primary purpose of this extension is actually to be able to click on links and also other inputs like the search inputs and stuff by using your keyboard alone. So if I press this key F on my keyboard, F is to follow the links. You can see that this Vimium extension, it adds these small tooltips that you can press to follow that link. So let's say I want to go to this article. You can see that the corresponding tooltip, it shows SM. So I can just type that SM, and it need not be capital letters. I can just press small m, and that essentially clicks on that link. So I followed that link. Okay, so again, I'm going to press F, and it shows all the clickable links on this page in the view. And if I want to go to, let's say I want to go to this tech category, in this case I just press M and I clicked on it. Okay, now coming to the single key keyboard shortcuts, let's say I want to go back. That is, typically you press this one, click to go back, but I can just press Z or Z, and that's the same thing as clicking this back button. Now to go forward in the history, page history, I press X, and that takes me forward. And to close this tab, I just press C to close. And of course, to bring this closed tab, we can press Command Shift T. I have not set a single key shortcut for this action because it's not very frequent that I have to do such a thing. So I didn't. But if you want, you can set something that you prefer. Okay, now to switch to the previous tab, I can press A, and to switch to the next tab, I press S. And to view the source of this page, I press V. And to copy the link or URL of this particular page, I press YY. Okay, so you can see that it is in the clipboard history. If I bring up this one, if I press Command Shift V, you can see that this is the link that is there in the clipboard. Oh, one more thing I want to say is that let's say I press F now and I press E to click inside this input. So if I want to follow the link, let's say I want to click on this help now. If I type F to follow the links, that is not going to work because I'm obviously typing inside the password input field. So to exit or escape out of this, I just press escape. And now I can press F and I can follow the link by pressing W to click help in this case. To close this, I press C. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. Bye for now.